Honey, what are you doing?
I'm going to be trimming these trees using this chainsaw.
Where's your PPE?
I've got it on. I've got my long sleeve shirt, I've got my pants, and I've got my shoes.
No, your real PPE.
Oh, yes, dear. So I've got my helmet on, got my gloves on, got my eye protection, and now my hearing protection. And my metatarsal boots.
Now that's better.
I'm Steve Tippett, MAU Supervisor at John Deere, reminding everyone that if you're working on the plant floor or even working on a project like this, to always wear your PPE. Someday it may save your life.